Today we're tasting all of the new Ciroc Vodka Spritz flavors for you, and we're gonna let you know if they're thirsty approved or not.
So the flavors that we have here are watermelon kiwi, pineapple passion, colada, and sunset citrus. I'm excited for pineapple passion. That just sounds so good.
I think I'm the most excited for that one too. That and the sunset citrus sounds really good.
They may surprise us. We might like all of them. Colada. That one's intriguing.
Yeah, I agree. I'm just like not a real big like colada girl. Do you drink a lot of pina coladas?
Yeah, if I'm on vacation.
Do you?
Yeah, girl.
I love her pina colada, not me, I don't know.
We're gonna try them out and see what happens.
Anyway. I do like Ciroc coconut. The Ciroc coconut is a really good flavor.
Agreed. And the pineapple one, which is why I'm so excited about this one.
So you know what? This one is gonna be really good.
I know, that's what I'm thinking.
Like a Ciroc coconut with soda would be really nice, or a Ciroc coconut and Sprite is really good. Diddy, Puff Daddy, P. Diddy Combs, I don't know, whatever you call him. He came out with some new Ciroc Vodka Spritz, ready to drink cocktails, and we are ready to drink them.
Yes, we are. The Ciroc vodka flavors are an absolute hit, okay? So these are probably really good.
Yeah, agreed.
Right?
Okay, so I am gonna give it to him on this packaging.
It's beautiful.
I love it.
It's like very chic.
It's beautiful.
Clean.
I love the colors. I love that it's matte and it's like soft. Like, why are these boxes so soft?
They are really soft, actually. I didn't even touch them. They're beautiful.
They're nice. So in each case, they come with 4 cans. They're all made with, I'm assuming, Ciroc. It says made with vodka from fine French grapes, which that's Ciroc. Ciroc is made from fine French grapes, if you did not know. So I'm assuming there's like actual Ciroc in here. I would hope. That's what they're using in these.
Natural flavors. We love natural flavors.
They're gluten-free.
And no artificial sweeteners. Love that. And it's 7% alcohol. Aren't most seltzers like around like 5-ish?
Yeah, I think White Claw and Truly are about 5%.
So they're a little strong.
They do have a little bit more calories though than your typical hard seltzer.
Which means they're gonna taste really good.
It says 172 calories. I mean, if you're comparing this to a Truly or a White Claw, those are about 100 calories per serving. So it's a little bit more indulgent, but I'm sure they have a lot more flavor to them.
Yeah.
I'm assuming. Let's open these up and find out.
We're gonna start with the watermelon kiwi. Beautiful can.
Gorge.
Absolutely beautiful.
Again, coming through with that matte finish on these cans.
I just feel cute like
poolside.
Yeah, it's so cute. Okay.
Super cute.
And the gold, that's a beautiful touch. Like
giving summer.
It's giving bougie seltzers. Cheers.
Ooh, it smells amazing.
Tastes like watermelon.
I'm smelling the watermelon immediately.
I'll give her a 6.5.
I'm gonna give it a 7.
I almost gave it a 7, but I feel like a 6.5.
Oh, she took that big 5. Petty.
Petty. And the can, again, so pretty. I really like the cans. They're gorgeous. Cheers. Smells really, really nice.
Oh, wow. Yes. I like this one.
Oh yeah. I like that they're not too sweet.
This one is refreshing. It goes down really smooth. It tastes like pineapple. Water almost. Like a pineapple flavored water.
It really tastes like the Ciroc pineapple vodka with some soda.
It does,
right?
Yeah, it does. And the Ciroc pineapple, I think, between the pineapple and the Ciroc coconut, those are my 2 favorite flavors.
I like the apple. The Ciroc apple is really good too.
So yes, this is a big yes for me. They nailed the pineapple flavor in this.
Yeah, it's freaking good.
I'm not really getting the passion fruit as much.
Agreed.
But I'm okay with that.
Yeah.
It tastes delicious.
It tastes really good.
I love it.
This is a jam.
This is the jam. I'm gonna give this one on a scale of 1 to 10, a 9.5.
Oh, I was gonna say a 9, but a 9.5, that makes sense.
It's damn near a 10.
Really good.
If I was reaching for one of these two at the moment, I would definitely reach for the pineapple passion.
Same. It's really good.
I love it.
I really like this one. Yum. Fire. The colada. Cheers.
I'm hoping that they use Ciroc coconut in this one. Because if they
Hope
did,
it tastes like it.
it's gonna be delicious.
Oh my god, that's so good. That's really good.
That's nice.
It tastes like coconut water with
No.
soda.
I wouldn't say coconut water. It tastes like coconut.
Coconut ice cream. It tastes like coconut ice cream.
But not as sweet.
But not as sweet, yeah. With soda. Super good.
Just a really
That's-
strong coconut flavor.
That's nice.
Not overpowering. Not too sweet like a pina colada, which I'm happy about that.
None of these are too sweet, I feel like. They just have like the flavor. It's like literally flavored seltzer.
This is really good. What am I gonna rate this one? 8.
It's good.
It's really good, but the pineapple's better though.
Yeah. But I give this can a 10. It's beautiful.
We just buy these because the kids
It's
are pretty.
literally.
Honestly.
I just want these in my fridge. They're so pretty. Like golden white. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
That's like my whole house. It's like beige and white.
gorge.
I love.
Another beautiful can.
And I mean, this one might be my favorite.
It looks like a sunset.
It's so pretty.
So fitting for the name Sunset Citrus.
I'm excited for this one too. What kind of citrus though? I would like to know what kind of citrus. Let's try to figure it out. That'll be a fun little challenge. Is it orange? Is it lemons? Is it limes?
Ooh.
I feel like it's like orange.
It smells so good.
Oh. Wow.
Oh my god, that smells amazing.
What is that smell?
Orange.
No, I know, but like there's a specific smell in there that's reminding me of something. Cheers. Maybe I'll taste it.
Citrus.
No. I know what it is.
Oh my god, wow.
That's delicious.
That's so good. I'm getting a little grapefruit, I think.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's a little grapefruit coming through.
Grapefruit and orange.
Mhm.
Grapefruit and orange. You know what this reminds me of?
A paloma?
No.
Vitamin
Tell me
C?
no. Tell me no.
That's delicious.
But it is like a paloma.
I love it.
Like a
That's a yes for me.
delicious paloma.
I like this one a lot.
Yeah.
And I knew I was gonna like this one. I knew it.
This is my second favorite, I think.
Mm-hmm. Agreed.
So I'm gonna give this one also a 9.
Yeah, same. I'll give it a 9.5.
I like this one a lot.
I'll give it a 9. I'll give it a 9 because I think I still like the pineapple one the best.
I like the pineapple one the best
Yeah.
too. So maybe an 8.9.